In this video I will discuss lose weight without working out. Tips for non-exercise weight loss. Hey there, friends, today we're going to discuss how to lose weight without working out. So, let's dive right in with our first tip, intermittent fasting. This lifestyle change can help you feel lighter and healthier without hitting the gym. Of course, exercise can be beneficial in many ways, but if you're not a fan of the gym, intermittent fasting is a great alternative. Now, let's talk about what to eat. Eliminate foods that come in packaging or are processed. Instead, focus on eating whole foods like fruits and vegetables. You'll be amazed at how much healthier and lighter you'll feel after incorporating these changes into your routine. Maximize your gains with Dymatize, ISO 100 hydrolyzed protein powder, and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% whey protein powder. With quality ingredients and delicious flavors, fuel your workouts and recovery. Find the links in the description and take your fitness journey to the next level. And remember, it's essential to prioritize sleep and hydration as well. Aim for 8 hours of sleep daily and drink plenty of water throughout the day. These changes will contribute to your weight loss journey without the need for a gym membership or an exhausting exercise regimen. So there you have it, my friends. Give these tips a try and see the results for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this. Until next time.